Ayan guys, so, kumakain ako ng seaweed and kakain din ako ng miguring ngayon. My name is Marga. So, pwede yung tawagin Louie or Marga. Ano gusto nyo, Louie or Marga? Call me what?
What you are about to hear is a pioneering
Maanghang
work
siya.
specifically dedicated to the aerial vehicles
Kaya ako
of
nang,
historic India.
wait lang.
They are known in Hindu texts and Sanskrit epics as Vimanas. While many consider them mythological in nature, the truth is they were as real as the aircraft we see soaring through the sky in modern times.
So guys,
It may also be interesting to learn that futuristic weapons were also
maanghang siya kung
numerous occasions in ancient India.
tutid do, pero uminom na tubig
Describes in great detail
sa akin.
catastrophic nuclear explosion.
So ayan
The
guys,
Indian subcontinent. The description sounds an awful lot like an atomic explosion, similar to
tapos,
the experiences of
ang gagawin
Hiroshima
ko,
and Nagasaki.
kainin ko siya sabay.
Sari Mohan Ganguly asserts that Indian sacred writings are filled with such descriptions. For example, an ancient battle is described in the Drona Parva, a section of the Mahabharata. It speaks of great battles fought with tremendous weapons that can decimate entire armies. Ganguly says, those who are unfortunate enough to be in
Next,
the vicinity when these weapons
masarap kaya siya
blown
ilagay
away
sa
like dry leaves from a tree. Consider these ancient verses from the Mahabharata.
sarap-sarap na gano'n siya.
Elevate your kitchen experience with our premium kitchen filters. This high-quality mesh is expertly designed to capture food debris and oil with ease.
"这是管菌是吃饭儿，是个知识。好了吧，吃吧，这好了，没事。